Welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm at Ace Hardware and I'm going to show you their online and in-store tool deals going on right now. Now I rarely go to Ace Hardware, so this was a learning experience for me. You go ahead and you're going to need the Ace Rewards program for most of their deals. What you're going to need to do is sign up in-store or online. It's free to join. You get 10 points per dollar spent and $5 when you first sign up, and then over a 12-month period, if you spend a certain amount of money, you unlock more deals and savings. As well as on your birthday, you get $5 or $10. Now starting off with Craftsman, they have a sale for $129. You can get the 20-volt battery and charger starter kit, and you get 2 free tools here. The oscillating multi-tool, wet vac orbital sander, or the cutoff tool. Now this is the 2-gallon wet dry vac here for $99, although you'll get it for free if you just need a battery and the starter kit there. This is what it looks like online here. Looks like it has 4.5 stars. Now, when you're in store, you can get instant savings with your Ace Rewards card. We're at the Milwaukee section. I'll show you some of those here. First off, you can save $50 instantly for the drill and driver combo kit and $20 on the LED floodlight. And then $10 and $30 respectively on the reciprocating saw and the drill and driver impact driver combo kit here. So these are some of the tools here. For $129, this is the angle grinder. This is the M18 oscillating multi-tool here. And then to the left here we have the floodlight for $109. And then we have the rapid battery charger up here as well. They were very nice here. I think in almost every other aisle someone just was asking me, can I help you? They were either very nice or just wanting to know what I was doing there. So either way, this is the Milwaukee blower combo trimmer kit here for $399. It was $449. And then this is the Milwaukee dual battery handheld blower toolkit for $299. That's $20 off. And then you've got the $20 off for the $299 deal as well with the string trimmer kit. And it comes with the battery and charger over here on the right. Next up is this drill drive kit, or a hammer drill drive kit. And this is $299. It shows all what you get. So you get the tool, 2 batteries, charger, and the case. And you also get a free bare tool here as well. Now I'm going back to the in-store footage in a sec, but this is the battery starter kit. It's the 5 amp hour lithium ion starter kit. And you're gonna get a free select tool with this as well. And this is online only, and you must add both items to the cart when checking out so that they'll know to give you the deal. That just makes sense to me. So next up here is we have a mower deal. This is 30% off, or I'm sorry, $30 off, instant savings. And this is a Briggs & Stratton, but I think they're doing them on the Craftsman mowers as well. And look at all these deals here. This is basically $30 off all these DeWalt tools. Again, it's with these Ace Rewards. And this is the impact driver kit. You've got the orbital sander, and they've got just them all down the line here. $40 savings on the one-handed reciprocating saw, $60 on the 20-volt max atomic brushless drill driver kit. And here up here we have the jigsaw, we have the circular saw here for $149, and the angle grinder here. They just had a few of the tools on display, which I'm not sure why that was the case, but either way, they had everything really locked up. I guess that's how it is nowadays. And they have the Craftsman tools down here locked up as well. They have their circular saw, and this is just showing the deals here as well. This is one of those select tools it looks like. If you buy the starter kit, you can get the circular saw for free as well, as long as another tool. And these are some of the locked up tools here. This is the angle grinder here. This is the orbital sander. That one is corded, just keep that in mind. It has a little corded symbol on that. And then up here you have the jigsaw and the battery kit with a 3-year lifetime warranty for $149. This is a 47-piece SAE metric mechanics tool set from Craftsman. It's $79. And this has I think it's a 3-year lifetime warranty, or a full lifetime warranty. This is a 15-piece mechanics set for $64. And this has the full lifetime warranty as well. Now this is the Milwaukee cordless brush toolkit and impact driver kit for $169, and that's $50 off with the Ace Rewards. So you get the 2 tools, battery, charger, and the carrying case on this one. So this is the 18-volt 6 amp hour lithium ion high output battery. It's a 2-pack, $149. And next up we have this 18-volt battery hedge trimmer tool for $199. And that's got over 1,000 5-star reviews at $20 off. And let me know in the comments if you have any Ace tips. This is my favorite part here from Milwaukee. It's their tool combo kits. So first up, for $199, it was $219. You get the 4-tool combo kit, and then you get the 5-tool combo kit for $249. Now they also have the 2-tool combo kit for $229 as well. This is the brushless, cordless 4-in-1 installation driver kit for $199, and that's $20 off. That comes with everything there. And Milwaukee has their 3 amp hour 2-pack battery for $179. That's $30 off with Ace Rewards. And next up here, we're moving on to Craftsman. They've got some deals as well. The Craftsman 2 amp hour lithium ion starter kit. It's a 3-piece kit with 2 batteries and the charger for $129. I think it was $149 it looks like. And keep in mind, after you spend a certain amount, you get into their, I think it's like the Platinum or Premier, I'm sorry, rewards program, where you get more savings. They've got this blower and trimmer kit for $129. That's a Craftsman deal there. And coming down here, you get their battery deal here. This is their 4 amp hour lithium ion battery, and look at the price. It's $39. It says it was $119. So I'm not sure why the price difference there. I don't know if that's a mistake as far as the previous price or not, but this is a cordless brush 2-tool drill driver and impact driver kit for $149. That's $50 off. And you get the micrometer torque wrench for $99. They've got this electric 1.2 GPN pressure washer for $219. That's $30 off. And then the hedge trimmer is $99. It was $119. They've got this air compressor, the 6-gallon air compressor for $169. That's $40 off. This 1/2 inch brushed cordless drill kit for $79. That's $10 off. Not too bad. Then they've got the Craftsman battery pack here, the 2-piece 2 amp hour battery pack for $129. That's $70 off. And then $30 off this 150cc gas lawnmower from Craftsman at $419. They had them from Briggs & Stratton too, but I guess in that lineup there were Craftsman as well that I just didn't see. They've got this 1/4 inch cordless brushless impact driver kit as well. Comes with battery and charger. Now this is that gas lawnmower for $389. It was $419, I believe. And then you get the 2-tool combo kit from Craftsman. It's $199. That's $40 off. It was $219. And it looks like it has 35-star reviews. That's pretty nice. You get the circular saw too in that. And then they have the portable power cleaner for $149 at $30 off, and the 256-piece mechanics set for $199. That's a savings of $100 here, or $99.99. That's got 5 stars. Now going over to DeWalt here, you get the 13-inch 20-volt battery blower and trimmer kit for $289, and then the handheld blower tool only for $159. So it's a savings of $90 and $30 respectively. They've got the DeWalt battery pruning saw tool only for $169. So it doesn't come with the battery, just keep that in mind. And down here they have the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless brush 2-tool compact drill and impact driver kit for $199. That's $60 off. And that's a sale on that one. You get the driver bits as well, and it looks like batteries and charger. So that's a pretty good deal for $199. And guys, go ahead and like this video if you're finding value in it and you want to see more videos like this, or at least the in-store deals. This is the DeWalt 20-volt max power stack, 2 lithium-ion compact batteries for $179, and that's $50 off. So they have their hedge trimmer for $159, $30 off. Their battery chainsaw kit for $399, that's $50 off. And then their sander for $129. I think that's $30 off. They have their reciprocating saw tool for $129. That's got about 4.5 stars at $30 off. That's the 2 5 amp hour battery combo pack for $199. That's $50 off. And then they've got for $229 their 2-tool compact drill and impact driver kit. So you get the tools, bag, batteries, and charger. And then here we have the impact driver for $129. You get the kit, or the jigsaw, which is the tool only, but you buy and get. So you get the battery stack and charger kit when you buy this. So you're not only getting the tool, but this is online only, it's saying. Now these are some of their outdoor garden tools here for $22. They also had a small mini pool for $17 and a wheelbarrow for $134, which was a $5 savings. I would definitely recommend you signing up for their Ace Rewards. It's free, and then that way you're able to take advantage of all their deals. Go ahead and check out this next video of some Home Depot deals and savings for Memorial Day that I have, and I hope you enjoy it, guys. Thanks.